one's from my man Gary. He got just bought this bike from a friend of his, and it had some damage to the inner fairing due to a tip over, and some stuff got damaged. So since he bought the bike from a friend of ours, I took on the job of putting it back together. So here we are. So yeah, it had the old wiring system. This was done a long time ago, like over almost 10 years ago, when we had 1 amp in each bag. Hence, hot and ground speaker wire connectors, hot and ground speaker wire connectors, all that for the music. And since this bike is going out of state, it needs to be updated, as in music wise, because this is on the old style and I want to put it on the new style. So plus at the time, double din was what he had. Y'all have to excuse this phone. I've dropped it too many times, and go get me a new work phone in a minute. But yeah, he had this double din set up on here, which I really wasn't a fan of, because you have to cut the old fairing out to make this fairing go on here. But we're gonna get my man Gary back in the game. He's up there in Portland, Oregon, and so we need to put him on the current Money's car stereo hookup and make him roll better. So stay tuned. Coming soon. Yeah, he's been sitting for a while. Hey, look at here, and it's coming together for you, Gary, man. I got your pieces over here. We're docking down here to man Horacio at Creative Concepts, and he's touched on you, and we're gonna get this to the house and get some of this reassembled. Inner fairing gonna go on first. If you don't know, now you know. When you do inner fairings, when you do the aftermarket Chinese ones, do not try and put Harley-Davidson screws into that outer fairing, because the screw holes are smaller. So keep that in mind. Live and direct, Money stereo installation. Boy, this is one of the ones where I had not filming it when I first got it here at the house to show you how bad off it was. But we've got it back at Money's Stereo Restorations. We've got it back together now, and it's looking quite nice. Let me see here. Yeah, I haven't took the time and went ahead and wiped it off. I don't wipe people's bikes off, but hey, what the hell? That's all I can say. And music-wise, it's the same hookup I've been doing for years now. 2.0 scenario. You make me feel so nice inside. I'm gonna give you all the love that I got to give. You make me feel so high. I make you weak at the knees. I make you weak at the knees. Baby. over with and done. And I always like to say I'm on to the next one. What the next one gonna be? Let's see. Still smell the blow on my clothes like Krispy Kreme. I was cooking the mold, like horseshoes. I was tossing the molds. Time to re-up, gotta recycle the flow. I'm emotional. I love the block. Hey, I'm so emotional. I love my Glock. Chance moves everything around me. So what's realer? My Skrilla called me a ghost face killer. It's kinda hard to be drug free, but Georgia Pop won't give a nigga life free. Switch hustles been killing them ever since. It's in the truth, dog. It only makes sense. When they play that new cheese, all the dope boys go crazy. You're really good, bro. I just work here, man. I just work here. Have a seat, Gary. Gary, come have a seat over here. Let me show you a few things. Hop on your bike. We over here. It's due day 1, 2, 3. So let me explain how this works, Gary. For one, you can't see shit on a normal day. You have a flip up 7 to see it real good. At nighttime you can see it. The sun's glaring right now. But anyway, how your music works, basically pretty much is get your vocal right first. Go ahead, run your volume up. Get your words where they're clear, the level you want them at. And I'm gonna show you something from there. Bring it up, come on, give me some more. Over here, sitting on some chrome, shotgun to the dome. Then add some bass to it.
What's up, Q? Shine. Show child. I know, nigga. New nigga on the block.
Yeah.
What you about to get into?
Been accounting.
Shit, can a nigga hit a corner with you or something?
You got your strap.
Good looking out, dog. Let me grab my shit.
Yeah. This one is strictly for niggas rolling 750s. Ain't it polished from the sink.
My man Gary over here getting his wrench on. He had to put some spacer adapters to get the twinkly fender on here, but yeah, but we got it's a Harley day over here at Money Stereo Installations. Got 1 going out, 2 going out, 3 going out. This one's ones I already did, but he's running around the bay terrorizing people for no unknown reasons. My man Todd, but 1, 2, 3, and it's Friday. That means hopefully I got tomorrow off if nobody don't call me.
What's going on tomorrow, Rob?
Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing. I don't know. I know what's going on in my driveway, my brother. I can't tell you what's going on in other places right now.